Did you know the US government used its own embassy workers as secret test subjects during the Cold War? From 1953 to 1976, the Soviets quietly beamed microwave radiation directly into the American embassy in Moscow. When the CIA found out, they didn't warn the staff. Instead, they launched a classified program called Project Pandora to study what the signal was doing to the people inside. No one told the employees, not the ambassadors, not the secretaries, nobody. Multiple ambassadors later developed cancer and blood disorders. The Soviets were running an experiment on them, and so was their own government.